This is a Toyota Tundra, first generation, 2002. I'm replacing the fuel injectors. First thing I did was open the gas cap, pull out the fuse, the fuel pump relay, which is that one there. Pull that out, and then when you crank the key, no fuel will go, but it'll relieve the pressure. That's what I did first. Then I disconnected the negative battery. Then you just start taking stuff off to get it out of the way. You can undo the harness clips from the fuel rail, these two bolts there. Start getting this stuff out of the way. There are three 10mm bolts back here that hold the, this is the return from the, fuel comes in here, the pulsation damper, comes along this rail, comes across through this pipe here, over to this side, then it comes back here, and then it exits, it's a vacuum line, it exits right here to the back. See, I'm moving that, you see the return line of the tank. So there's three bolts back there that are hard to get to. Loosen everything on the engine wire to get it to where you can move things around some. A lot of people would probably take this off to get to there's one bolt on here holding this middle pipe. I'm just gonna loosen it from here with a long 10mm open end wrench or box end wrench, and then just get it out of the way enough to lift the fuel pipes up. So yeah, get it all out of the way, and then 22mm back here goes underneath right there to remove this. Pull that out. There's 2 or 3 gaskets on that one. I can't remember. I've got the new ones already. Pull that off, and then 17mm here, 17mm on this side. Undo this clip here, pull that out, and then there's 2 nuts on each side. One here and one back there on the actual fuel rail itself. And then you can lift them out. And the injectors should hang by the fuel rail, because they're just sitting there under the intake. They're not fastened any other way. It's just tight. Pull them out. Put the new ones in. I'll do a part 2 for putting the injectors into the rail.